banking on that.
It ain't gonna get better, dude. The winds are calling short.
In the night, just living my life free. And you may think I'm wild, but that's just what I'm gonna be.
Grab the bodyboard. Unless it's complete Victor at Sea slop.
All you do is talk trash.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
You're talking about riding a little round-nosed fish, and this is log wave weather.
I said later if it gets any better.
It ain't gonna get better, dude. The winds are calling short. It's gonna blow it to crap. It's gonna go numbingly cold. And you're gonna be like, oh, I should've brought my round-nosed fish, my 5.5, and 2-foot waves. He brought both his boards.
Who, Ram?
Yeah. He's got a 9-foot longboard and it's 5.2 long shortboard.
He's not.
Yeah, the blonde one. It's a shortboard.
Oh, my
That's a
God.
5.2.
That's Graham's girlfriend. That Dave's referring to.
Look at that nightgown. What's up, kids?
What are we thinking?
I'm thinking we're gonna go out, but we're gonna pick her up and take her out and throw her in the water.
Ever.
You get weary, try chase your dreams when you don't know what